Molweni namkelekile nonke back to As It Chisa. The entertainment uthando nesithembu is officially over. But Utata Mselegu is saying, I will not back down. Wayechilo ke last episode intoba if uMakhumalo persists on fighting, naye ke he will not back down. Uzoqhubeka naye ke ethi fight. Now last episode ke guys, abantu abaninzi yaye abakhalisa kakhulu, especially iphathi ke kaMpilo, whereby Utata Mselegu kept on emphasizing that akafuni acknowledge uMpilo because yena uxabana nomama wakhe ekunguMakhumalo, by the way, and furthermore he feels as though if Mpilo wanted things to be okay between yena and Makhumalo, she could do something because we legal age unengqondo and uyazibona ba izinto azikho right, and because azibona ba azikho right is refusing to intervene. So therefore naye akafuni next ezomdibanisa naye ke noMpilo in terms of ceremony yakhe homecoming. Andazoba ngizothini ceremony yoba kuchintshwe from esibongo from uZungu to uMselegu. Yeah, understand. Further went on to say ukhathele yena ukhaphana noMpilo when it's time to go to work. Uyekile lonto, uyigqidikile, no longer wants to be a part of it. So ndayeke ndabona on Instagram uMpilo waye wakhomenta after that. So after lo episode ke exelelwe kwi-national TV intoba yena ungumthwalo kutatakhe and utatakhe ukhathele nguye. Waye waphendula ke wathi noted with thanks, wanota lo ndawo intoba ngoku akasazukwazi ukumkhapha because of ingxaki anazo Utata Mselegu noMakhumalo. So uMakhumalo ke waye wangena naye wabona intoba umntwana is quite hurt, and she responded and said uThixo usithanda sonke, khululeka mntanam. Oh guys, now I did see that also a lot of people babe commenta ke under snippets over go TikTok besisho intoba they 100% feel as though the maternal ancestors against Mpilo, ancestors zakwaZungu, they are protecting uMpilo. The reason as to why it's so difficult uba makachinje isibongo sakhe from Zungu to uMselegu is because azifuni mhlambe kukhona into ezimprotector from yona. Furthermore, siyambona uMpilo into yoba ngumntana on a future very bright, on a future that is very bright, and mhlambe they don't want uMselegu to ever one day take the glory that uMpilo is where she is because of yena. Kukhona ke that are also saying, we are hoping and praying that a tradition ibivuma uba uMpilo ati move from Mpilo Zungu to Mpilo Khumalo, because uMakhumalo has been Mpilo's mother and father throughout the seasons. uMakhumalo has been 100% supportive of Mpilo throughout the season. And guys, we know how petty my father can be at times. Utato crazy after ke le season uposta abafazi bakhe abathandayo. Guess what? Uyeke waqale waposta umacele wacho ke ukuthi it's up to you to decide whether there is unconditional love or not, because imbiza kaBhayela iphehla ngabafazi. Then ke he went on and posted uMayeni wathi siyabonga Shibase for being my wife. Now of course in the natural state of things it was supposed to be uMacele, uMayeni, then uMakhumalo. Guess what? Utata Mselegu skipped uMakhumalo, went straight to uMangwabe, wabhala wathi ezami ziyangazi nami ngiyazazi. Langa ku Instagram uye wahamba esobona uba people are actually bayamtya there over on Instagram. Wahamba waqina esibindi waya ku Facebook apho ke ngoku aye wathetha inyani khona to further prove that lento ayibhalileyo okanye ezi zinto azenza ku Instagram uzenza with a very clear mind and vision. Uyayazi lento ayenzayo, uyayazi ba umskiphilo uMakhumalo. So uye wazophendula ke ku Facebook wathi mamelani apha indoda ithanda la ihlonishwa khona. Kuqondiswe bani ke? Kuqondiswe kuMakhumalo, because uMakhumalo was the only one ongapostwanga. All the other wives kusho ukuthi bayahlonipha and everything imjojo, everything is good. So people have been commenting, calling him out ke uTata uMseleku, and one person is saying, Tata, you need to remember respect is earned. It goes both ways. You cannot expect it when you're not willing to give it in return. Ibeke kahle baba, indoda ithanda uma ihlezi wena unguyebo baba, uyisisi yingayinga. That is the only time that indoda will love you. Then a wife submits when she is loved. Naturally submission occurs. If a man is abusive, decides alone and thinks he is God, not a husband, automatically she cannot submit kuyena lowo muntu. The last person is saying, but ke uyamhlukumeza uMakhumalo Tata uMseleku, yekela ukumgudla ube umhethile kubuka izwe lonke. Uma ungasamfuni yekela ingane yakithi, usengaqala phansi uMakhumalo futhi abe grand kabi, athole indoda ezomthanda. Usudlala ngaye, hlezi ubukisa ngaye. Yeka Mthombeni, Mthombeni isinenhlabathi lento oyenzayo. So ke guys, those are some of the comments that people have been sharing kwi-post zikaTata uMseleku. Now guys, I did also see that uTata uMseleku currently is following bonke abantwana bakhe on social media except for Umpilo and uMawande. Those are the two children angazi followishiyo on his social media platforms, guys. He's even following back uTirelo, guys. Imagine. Hi, Sana. He's even following back Utirelo, but is not following his own daughter Umpilo, guys. So people have been praying indoba Umpilo yakhe ihambe kakuhle. Furthermore, they are willing to support her. I just saw recently that she got a paid partnership. Une partnership yakhe yokuqala that is looking very promising. So nje izinto zampilo, people are saying we are willing to support you. Njengoba uthengisa imoto, we are going to come and buy the cars from you after lento ke udada wakho ayenzileyo kuwe ebuhlungu kangaka on national television in front of phambi kwabantu. Hi guys, uTata uMseleku makakhuzeke. Most definitely, if I was uMakhumalo and I was in her shoes, I think guys, I was going to file for divorce. This is too much now, because isho seyiphelile. What is the use of uba makaqhubeke? Sizothini? We can't say that umhlambi he wants views. Isho iphelile right now. Not unless, even if after the show, the views that they incur will still they will still be getting paid for. Mhlambi maybe ke singatsho ba usafuna views, but inhlukumezo lena ngoku ayenzayo kuMakhumalo as per what the people and the viewers are saying. So yeah guys, ke ihambe njalo ke into kaMakhumalo, Mpilo and uTata uMseleku, they are not following each other on social media, but nje kushuthi badubene. So yeah, nazo ke indaba zehora, guys. What are your thoughts? Ndiyacela mas engage and it's on shortly. Bye guys.